Davies-Okundaye. Today we have our cultural day.
My name is Tunji Akinseyinwa and I'm the gallery manager at the Nike Art Center. The role of an art gallery in Nigeria today is important for several reasons. If we talk about art, much of Nigerian art in terms of literature, television, music, our fashion is known not only throughout the world but also known to most Nigerians. And I think art is that one part of our industry which is still little known to the public. And most art galleries are free, so I think that it allows for people who don't know much about art, the fine art that is, to come and see what kind of another side of our creativity.
This event is about Nigeria Cultural Day.
How much is the painting for?
So can you come? Can you come for your tie-dye? If you want to do tie-dye, tie-dye, please.
My name is Eni Olorunjuwon Peters. I'm cousin to the proprietor of Nike Art Gallery, Chief Nike Okundaye. Today, it's an event that has taken root between her and the Nigerian Field Society, and it's an occasion to showcase Nigerian culture in all ramifications: dance, music, art, food.
My name is Robin Campbell. I co-chair with my husband the Nigerian Field Society Lagos branch, and I can't think of a better way to introduce people to Nigeria than through Nike. The mission of our organization is to explore the culture and environment of Nigeria, and today we have had excellent food from all over the country. We have had dancers, we've had singers, we've had drummers, we've had textile artists, we have had weavers and spinners, all rolled into one short day. And we're deeply appreciative of Nike and all of you for making this possible and being so welcoming.
Well, Nigeria Field Society has always been the people who direct every expatriate to go to different parts and give them comfort that there is no problem, you can go here, you can go there, and that is why they have always been my friend right from beginning, because we are the culture people and they are here to know about our culture, to know about our heritage, to know about our tradition, and the only way they can know is to come together with us and share today. Sharing food together in one plate. Consular General for Germany is our special guest of honor today.
Thank you.
This is our
Yeah, thank you very much for this invitation to this once more outstanding event. I think if you haven't been to Nike's Art Gallery, you haven't been to Lagos, or perhaps not even to Nigeria, because this is a focal point of all different Nigerian artistic streams. And always I come to this place, I discover something new, which really gives me insight into the history and all forms of arts here in Nigeria. So I'm especially grateful for being today, and I wish this wonderful celebration of Nigerian culture an outstanding success, and I hope that all of you will themselves in the course of the day. Thank you very much.
Ogidi is going to give you a voice, and we would like to see your own voice. There is one chair if you want to sit down. Well, I will say the breakthrough by traveling abroad, it has really helped me a lot. I was able to see the other country, how they appreciate their culture. Then I said, let me take part of their voice. Let's use it here and see how people will take it.
This particular gallery, Veronica Art Gallery, is almost like a central hub for foreigners to come. Those who want to buy art, those who are just interested in finding out something different about Nigeria. Foreigners, we have a lot of expats here in Nigeria, and yes, they do come to this gallery to buy art.
This is the one I like to use. I know. Which one? This type? It's the same type. Wait, which one did you use, Mihika? Which one? Yeah, it's dyed. I use this one. Wait, I use this one. So it's good, right? This is good. Is there a white? I guess. I asked Nike. I asked Nike. He said I could. Okay. That's the spiral. This is called spiral. I think so. Which one? Which one do you think? Green and colors you Can I use 3 colors?
All right, okay. To participate in the journey of this Father Jam. Power, power, come, power. Oh yeah, every phone, go for it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you can walk long. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that way. Oh yeah, you must pass it. Woo! That's nice. We are planning to be having it every month. If we even have it every day, it's not too much. So we like to start and do it every month and let people get to know more about our country and also about our culture.
Hi, I'm Queen Aniva Niva. I'm the curator and owner of the Wearable Art Gallery here at Nikkei Art Gallery. We are having our cultural day today. It's all about cultural exchange where people come together and learn about Nigerian culture, the rich heritage, the rich legacy that is in everything that we do, from the art to the clothes to the sculptures to the beadwork. We have master weavers here. We had a dyeing session here. You tasted Nigerian food. It was all about the culture, all about sharing the culture and experiencing the culture. We just had a fashion show where some of our guests volunteered to model, and I brought them back to the Wearable Art Gallery and did a quick makeover, and we had a mini fashion show. It was absolutely fantastic. So we do really great things here at the Wearable Art Gallery, and it is our absolute privilege each and every time to expose people to Nigerian art and culture. They're all our special guests today. Give them a round of applause. Continue to promote indigenous textiles of Nigeria in particular, but Africa as a whole. I think that we have some of the most incredible textiles in any part of the world that we make ourselves here. And I'm using them in couture work and high fashion. And my job is to promote the indigenous textiles, to show people how they look when it's made up, to show people how they can mix and blend the fabrics and create fabulous fashion. So our goal, our mission is to create uniquely creative artistic designs using the indigenous textiles of the homeland. And so that's my job as the cultural ambassador, to make sure that I show people how we do it here in Nigeria with our own textiles.
Oh yes, then we also had Norman MacLeod, who's a very great Scottish bagpiper, who was playing with traditional drummers. Very cross-cultural. That was another little extra dimension to the day. Thank you very much.
My name is Norman MacLeod. I come from Scotland, Glasgow in Scotland. And this instrument that you heard today is the national instrument of Scotland. It's the Great Highland Bagpipe. I've been playing for many, many years. Since I was at school. I learned at school to play the instrument. And it's an outdoor instrument, so you're quite right to say that we heard the call. It's an outdoor instrument. Played inside it can be a little bit overpowering, but it's an outdoor instrument.
Today we have our cultural day. That love that brings all of us together is our food taste. And that is what we are seeing.
It's hot, straight from Africa in Vogue, even Ezra Studios.
With Femi Lasode.